Welcome to Decor Ideas channel, where less is more and every detail matters. If you love clean lines, smart solutions, and serene spaces, you're in the right place. Let's create a home that feels you. Today we will show you a collection of simple and functional pieces of smart space-saving wooden furniture design for living space and for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In today's fast-paced world, where urban living often comes with limited space, the demand for smart space-saving furniture design has surged. The convergence of functionality and aesthetics in wooden furniture has led to innovative solutions that not only enhance living spaces, but also offer profitable opportunities for artisans and designers. Simple yet effective designs can transform a cramped apartment into a cozy haven, reflecting a growing appreciation for thoughtful craftsmanship that meets the needs of modern living. At the heart of space-saving furniture design is the principle of maximizing utility while minimizing clutter. Wooden furniture, with its natural warmth and versatility, serves as an ideal medium for achieving this balance. Unlike bulky traditional furniture, smart designs utilize clever mechanisms and modular concepts that allow for easy adaptation to different living scenarios. For instance, a coffee table that converts into a dining table exemplifies how a single piece can serve multiple purposes, enhancing both functionality and space efficiency. This adaptability resonates with individuals seeking to make the most of their limited square footage. The aesthetic appeal of wooden furniture plays a significant role in its desirability. The beauty of natural wood grain and the variety of finishes available allow designers to create pieces that not only save space, but also enhance the overall decor of a room. A well-crafted wooden bookshelf that doubles as a room divider can add a striking visual element to an open-plan living area while providing essential storage. This dual functionality elevates the design, transforming what could be a simple shelving unit into a statement piece that reflects the homeowner's style. Moreover, the tactile quality of wood contributes to a sense of comfort and warmth in living spaces. Unlike cold, industrial materials, wooden furniture creates an inviting atmosphere that encourages relaxation and social interaction. When space is at a premium, the emotional impact of one's surroundings becomes even more pronounced. Smart space-saving designs that prioritize comfort and aesthetic appeal can foster a sense of home, making even the smallest spaces feel welcoming. The simplicity of these designs is key to their effectiveness. By focusing on essential functions, artisans can create pieces that are not only easy to use, but also visually appealing. For example, a wall-mounted desk that folds away when not in use offers a practical solution for remote work without consuming valuable floor space. This minimalist approach aligns with contemporary design philosophies that emphasize clean lines and uncluttered environments. As consumers become more discerning about their purchases, the demand for well-designed, functional furniture that enhances their lifestyle continues to grow. From a business perspective, creating smart space-saving wooden furniture presents lucrative opportunities for artisans and designers. The rising trend of urbanization has led to an influx of individuals seeking efficient solutions for their living spaces. By tapping into this market, creators can offer bespoke solutions tailored to specific needs, whether it be for small apartments, tiny homes, or multifunctional spaces. This focus on customization not only attracts customers, but also allows artisans to showcase their craftsmanship and creativity. Furthermore, the environmentally conscious consumer is increasingly drawn to sustainable practices in furniture design. Utilizing reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced timber not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the furniture, but also resonates with buyers who prioritize ecological responsibility. This commitment to sustainability can further elevate a brand's reputation and appeal, as consumers are more inclined to support businesses that align with their values. In this context, smart space-saving designs that are both functional and environmentally friendly can command premium prices in the market. Decor is more fun when we do it together. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you'd like to see next. Your ideas literally shape this channel, so comment below and let's keep the inspiration flowing. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. As artisans and designers innovate, they often draw inspiration from various aspects of life, including cultural influences and personal experiences. This creative exploration can lead to unique designs that stand out in a crowded marketplace. For instance, incorporating elements from traditional woodworking techniques into modern designs can create a distinctive fusion that appeals to a wide audience. By blending contemporary aesthetics with traditional craftsmanship, creators can offer pieces that not only serve practical purposes, but also tell a story, enriching the consumer's experience. The process of designing and crafting space-saving furniture also allows artisans to experiment with different techniques and styles. From joinery methods to finishing techniques, each aspect of the creation process can enhance the overall quality and appeal of the final product. This dedication to craftsmanship not only results in durable and functional pieces, but also builds a personal connection between the artisan and the furniture. When consumers recognize the effort and skill that goes into each piece, they are more likely to appreciate its value, both emotionally and financially. In addition to individual pieces, the concept of creating entire collections of space-saving furniture can further amplify profit potential. By developing a cohesive range of products that work harmoniously together, artisans can cater to customers looking to furnish their spaces comprehensively. This approach allows for cross-selling opportunities, where customers may purchase multiple items to create a fully functional and aesthetically pleasing environment. The synergy between different pieces can enhance the overall appeal of the collection, encouraging consumers to invest in a complete solution rather than isolated items. Moreover, the rise of e-commerce and social media platforms has transformed how artisans market and sell their products. With the ability to reach a global audience, creators can showcase their unique designs through stunning visuals and engaging storytelling. Highlighting the versatility and functionality of space-saving furniture can capture the attention of potential buyers, driving interest and sales. This digital landscape allows artisans to build a brand presence that resonates with consumers, fostering a community of individuals who appreciate well-crafted, thoughtful designs. As consumers increasingly embrace the idea of multifunctional living spaces, the market for smart space-saving wooden furniture is only expected to grow. The combination of practicality, aesthetic appeal, and sustainable practices positions this type of furniture as a desirable choice for modern living. By focusing on simple, functional designs that cater to the needs of contemporary lifestyles, artisans can create pieces that not only enrich living spaces, but also contribute to their profitability. In the enriching and fostering of a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship and creativity in smart space-saving wooden furniture design is a reflection of evolving consumer needs and values. The balance between functionality and aesthetics, combined with a commitment to sustainability, positions this furniture as a vital component of modern living. For artisans and designers, the opportunity to create meaningful, well-crafted pieces that enhance the lives of consumers while also achieving financial success is a rewarding journey. As we continue to navigate the challenges of urban living, the importance of thoughtful, space-saving designs will only resonate more deeply, enriching our lives in ways that are both practical and beautiful. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked a simple and functional pieces of smart space-saving wooden furniture design for living space and for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.